Make a cookbook the easy way. If you are fond of cooking, you probably keep a database of recipes that you frequently refer to each time you cook your favorite dishes. It is important to keep these recipes organized and in one place, especially if they are a healthy mix of magazine clippings, printouts of pages from the web, or torn pages from old cookbooks. Why not make your own cookbook instead of a recipe box? The two are not quite the same. With a recipe box, you'll be stuck with index cards with handwritten recipes. Or, perhaps index cards with magazine clippings glued to them. But, with your own customized cookbook, you can print the recipe in bigger fonts to make the text easier to read and the instructions to follow through next time you cook. That will also make copying your recipe much easier, especially if you want to share it with your friends. Last of all, the recipes will be easier to organize and reorganize according to a system of classification that suits your style and preferences. If you want to make your own cookbook easily, you've come to the right page. Read on for some fabulous tips on how to make a cookbook the easy way. Prepare your recipes. You are going to digitize them. Prepare also the other important materials for this project: a 3-ring binder, plastic sleeves, with holes for the ring binder, dividers for the ring binder, computer with a word processor, and a printer with ink and paper. Sort your recipes into groups. For this one, the most common method is to group the recipes according to the type of dish. For example, you can group recipes into soups, salads, vegetarian dishes, appetizers, desserts, casseroles, seafood, poultry, etc. Make tab labels for the dividers that you'll be using in your ring binder. The divider pages are usually colored. Attach label tabs to the edges of the divider pages. The label tabs will make it easier to locate specific recipe groupings. Type your recipes into your word processor. Make sure that you type only one recipe per page. But, then again, this is not a hard and fast rule. Some recipes are really so short that you can add 2 or 3 more down the page. Use your wise judgment on this one. Use a readable font style and size. Add graphics and clip art if you want. Incorporate your own notes into the recipes. If you have been cooking for some time, you would have already gained practical experience regarding the recipes that you follow. Sometimes you would alter the original ingredients or cooking procedures to suit your own style of cooking. Make sure that these alterations are reflected in your cookbook. In this way, your cookbook will become truly your own. Save your word processing file and print it out page by page. Insert the pages into the plastic sleeves and secure the sleeves in the ring binder. Make sure the recipes are in the right section of your cookbook. Print out a cover page, if you like. You could even add page numbers so that you can create an index or a table of contents. Each time you want to use a recipe, simply remove it from the ring binder along with its plastic sleeve. The plastic sleeve will protect the page from faster paper aging, as well as from accidental spills on the kitchen table. Your recipes are precious and you may want to hand them down to succeeding generations. So, make sure you whip up a cookbook of your favorite and customized recipes. After reading this article, you now know how easy it is to do that.